recipient of several awards and a winner of Million Hearts. She continues to take charge of young lives with Pratyusha's support. Let's welcome my darling and ever smiling Samantha Akkineni Ruth Prabhu.
I am so proud of you because you fit right in, because I know you very, very well, and this is so you.
Thank you. Are there any childhood memories that impacted you deeply to become the kind of person you are, who's always striving for excellence and always winning everything?
Comes to my childhood, and yeah, I did not have it easy when it comes to my childhood and my upbringing.
I heard you speak about your mother very fondly at several occasions. What is that she instilled in you, and what is that you imbibed from her?
I think if there's niceness in me, it's because of
Okay.
otherwise it would have just been a mean creature. I remember when this lockdown was called for, like everybody else, Che and me got into the car to go buy groceries. And it was such a nerve-wracking experience because we didn't know how long these groceries were going to last. We don't know. I'll never be in this position again where I cannot put food on the table for my family. So that's where the thought came into my mind that terrace garden, that there should be food, that I should be able to grow my own food and sustain my family, in any kind of pandemic or any kind of emergency. I should not be so dependent on
for your basic
for something so basic for your existence. When I started growing, I just felt at this time with the plants and just watching from a seed break open, come out, like it breaks open to feed you, and this plant from this 40 days, and you're working in the soil, and it's therapeutic, it's calming to the mind.
How does Nag add to your thoughts in this regard? He's also a nature
Yeah,
lover.
so that's our connect. We love talking about. We're in competition. Whose plants grew better?
Okay.
So when I go to his house, I'll be like, oh, why is your kale growing better than my kale? When he comes to my house, he's like, how is this butterhead growing better? So we're like in almost like competing who's growing their plants better right now.
How sweet.
I think sustainability is just as simple as cleaning up after yourself, right? Because you have done so much damage to this planet and to this environment. Entrepreneurs are thinking of sustainable ways, and I'm so happy to be part of this in some way. It gives me so much joy and excitement to be a part of this in some way.
I've known you as somebody who loved her seafood. And just in
Sushi,
crabs and all of that, I saw you relishing all these things.
Yeah.
Just few months back, and just in few months you turned vegan, and I've seen your journey. It wasn't that easy.
Came down to a basic everyday decision of I love my dog Hash, but I choose to kill another animal for my lunch and my dinner because that animal is not my pet. So it stems from that.
I've seen you wear one tunic and I've seen you wash it and wear it and
Yeah.
wash it and wear it.
Oh yeah.
The day I came to know it was one of the pieces from Sakhi, I know this girl is testing the durability and the quality.
Yes. So that's oh wow.
How important is quality to you?
My team will be so impressed. For me, durability is very, very important. So if you see, I have washed. I've worn them for yoga. I've worn them with hash on the carpet.
I've seen it twice already.
Yeah, you've seen me twice
Yeah.
already. I've worn it like 10 times already. Washed and worn. Washed in the washing machine, hand wash, everything. So guys, like really know that you're getting stuff that I really put under hard
Scrutiny.
tests.
What is the best thing about being an entrepreneur?
That I have finally called on.
You're the boss.
I'm the boss. Girl boss.
So before you leave, Sam, we also have a beautifully curated hamper from Yellow Veranda. It's a luxury home care boutique. You will love it. I hope you love it.